Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to pin apps on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. After you click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings. After you click on more security settings, you will see allow apps to be pinned is here. If you want to pin apps, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, go back to home screen. Simply just click on app and go back and click on this icon and just click and hold this app icon and you will see here showing you pin option. So if you want to pin app, so you will see app is pinned. So that's how you can pin apps on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.